Bike billboards are huge, green and versatile, and I'm going to go a little bit in depth so you can get more out of this service. They're highly visible and they're often used in 3 ways. Consumer awareness campaigns, environments where there may be extreme direct competition, and in environments where traditional forms of advertising are easily ignored. Bike billboards are not parked and left as a static ad. They are constantly manned. When stopped, the teams are engaging with locals. They can answer simple questions, hand out information, or direct people to a location. Our teams endure regular training and they are briefed before every single shift. Providing teams with additional information they can hand out helps them engage with the locals and gives the consumer more information about the next step. Our bike billboards are more than 2.3 times larger than many in the industry, and they are 2.3 metres tall. They can target both pedestrians and cars. Go bold. Just because it's big doesn't mean that you should try and fit more in. Keep it strong and keep in mind the bike billboards are regularly moving. Remember, bike billboards are mobile, so you have more options to target locals. In one suburb, you may wish to target the train station for the morning rush and the shopping area at lunch. This is possible in a single shift. You receive a comprehensive report with photos, written feedback from the ground team, and GPS tracking on all shifts. The team stays fairly close together. In practice, this means that every team member is within sight of at least one other bike billboard. If you decide to use a repeated message, the team can split into different corners of an intersection, showing the main message on either side of the road. There are several options for a message series. For a pair of bike billboards, you can have up to 4 messages. Billboard 1 passenger side, Billboard 1 roadside, Billboard 2 passenger side, and Billboard 2 roadside. The cost is indifferent. However, this may not be as advantageous as it seems. Most people will see the bike billboards from only one vantage point, so they will only see either the passenger side messages or the roadside messages at a single time. It is possible that a pedestrian will see all 4 messages, but generally speaking, having 4 artworks is usually only required when each panel is direction specific. For example, in this campaign, where they are incorporating the rider. In the vast majority of cases, the most practical message series for a pair of bike billboards is usually one artwork on both sides of Billboard 1 and a different artwork on both sides of Billboard 2. Bike billboards use people power, not petrol, but you can be even more green with just a little bit of planning. Artwork is a one-off print and cost, so repeat shifts will not only bring down the price per shift, it will also mean that you are using the same billboard multiple times. Be clever with your shifts. For example, 2 bike billboards over 5 days will have less of a footprint than 5 bike billboards over 2 days. Consider avoiding dates and promo codes on the bike billboard and pop it on the flyer. This way you can use the artwork many times. As long as you give us a heads up, we're able to use it in future years. For more information and to see real campaigns, jump on our website www.streetfightermedia.com.au.